Good afternoon, students. Last day I have discussed about the exercise number 2.1 for your second term syllabus. Now I go to discuss about the exercise number 2.2. Okay, what is say that question number 2.2. Suppose fill in the blanks each of the true statement 378 plus 1024 plus dot given. Okay, so here whatever there in this there's no required to calculation. Just for this purpose, whatever you say this side and this side, whatever equal 378. If 378 you can place be there, then the total part be equal. You have required this. Okay. So in this way, I'll discuss the another math. Suppose 1 is 3. (21 plus 13) 18. Now see, this side 21 18, this side 20. This is the new, so you can write this the here 13. So whenever you can place this 13 be there, you can get this this answer. Next part is what? Next part. Suppose question number 3. Question number 3, what is said that by suitable arrangement find the sum. Suppose what I am given 311 plus 528 289. But you see that part during the exam time. Suppose if I give this type of question, this type of calculation, then what will be happen? You directly do the addition and you can expect it that I shall give the full marks, but if you do the correct addition also, but you are getting 0 marks. Keep in mind, shall award 0 marks. You say, sir, why? Because if you do the addition, this is the general purpose for you can do that for the junior section student class 1, class 2. So purposefully why you have given in your book for this? Well, of course there is some reason behind. What is the reason behind? Behind that, suppose whenever you are go to the other senior classes, sometimes you are required to do the calculation, and orally whenever you can do the calculation orally, you are getting the more quickly you can solve the math. So in this case, what is the expense? What they are required? So you see 1 plus 8 is what? 9. 8 plus 9 is what? 17. Plus 1 plus 9 is what? 10. Yes. You have required to make the numerator, your unit place become the 0. Why? Because after that you can get the easiest process. Why? See that. So do the adding. 600 plus 528. 1128. You see, whatever required, if you can do the calculation directly in this way, you can do the calculation this way, you are getting the less time, and this is required. Not for this class also, you are required for this process. If you can follow your senior classes, you are getting the more easiest way you can solve the math all. Okay. So in this way you can solve this part. In the same way, suppose multiplication for the question number 5. Here also same things I have told. Question number 5 er 1. What is that? 4 into 528 into 25. Same way. What is the same way? If you can do the calculation 4 into 25 in 1 and 528 there, then 428 is 100 into 528. Then your calculation is 52800. See that? What are the easiest way you can do the calculation? Suppose if I do the calculation 4 into 520, it's required time. Then again multiply by the 25. Sure, you can do the practice by on that way. You surely facing the lots of problem. Number one, if you are able to solve, okay, very good. But whatever time required, you just to start your. If you have the stopwatch, everyone have the stopwatch in the mobile. So start the stopwatch and follow the two process. You can see that what is the significant difference between these two process to done the same math. So always we are wanting what? We are wanting to do the shortcut process. So here we can follow it the process and solve that math. Clear? Okay. So in this way I have solved the question number 6. Now question number 7. What is say that? Find the following property using the suitable property. Suitable property means is what? Suitable property means I am showing you, just not do the calculation, just I am showing you. What do you mean by the suitable properties? Question number 6, question number okay. Before that I will show another process, the 6 54279 into 8. Okay. And 542 plus 54279 into 92. Your book is this figure 92 first, it is no problem will be there. You take the common these two parts. So 54279 take this common. So you can get 92 plus 8. So you can get it what? 54279 into 100. Now easily you can solve it. 54279. Then 00. Because there 20 is be there, you can place it there. Okay. So you see what are the simplest way you can solve this part. Multiply this. Huge time will be required. You are not able to solve this part. Clear? Okay. Now I am go to the last discussion about the 7-1. What is that 7-1? Suppose 739 multiplied by 102. That means if you can do in this way, okay. Hey, this is the question asks, find the value of suitable property. This is the properties. Properties what? If I divided the 102 between 100 and 2, then you can solve that part. It is easiest way to solve it. Just you whatever you can do that, you just to multiply 739 into 100, that is 00, plus 739 into 2. Then just to do the addition and you can get the calculation answer. Okay. So this is the another. Suppose I have not solved that part because you can do that easily. Number 2. 1938 into 99. So now here if I can do that 100 minus 1, then it will be better. Why? Because you see that, then whatever 1938 00 minus 1938, you can get that answer. Understood? And last of all, another math. Suppose 105 into 188. 1000 number 3. 1005 into 188. So 1005 into 100 plus 88. If I minus, you say sir, if I minus 200 minus 12, that is 188. Yes, you are correct. But on that way, better this will be that. So what is that? 101,005 then 00 into, you just to do the multiplication and you can get the answer. Okay, so whenever you can use this type of tricks, you can solve the math easily. Clear? So today up to this, you can do the other math next day. Bye.